Lewis here. So this 2013 Toyota Corolla, about cylinder 1 misfire with coolant intrusion in the cylinder. It is confirmed. Unfortunately, she will need the engine replaced. When you take a vehicle in and actually get it diagnosed, you hope you trust them, but it's always good to get a second opinion. It really is. Regardless if it's with us, at the dealer, wherever you may be, just a second opinion is always valued. Second pair of eyes. Just like building a computer. If you build a computer, you probably need to have somebody else look at it just to make sure everything hooks up correctly. Always second opinion if you just have a funny feeling.